Welcome back to the channel once again, fam.
About what we have learned now, but it appears Young Thug's legal problems are not limited to the case in Fulton County that has made such big news this week.
I'm a real suicide, I got kids and everything. I don't need nobody saying me going to no jail about nothing.
And coming up is a very slight, very brief breakdown of Yak Gotti's alleged involvement, but Young Thug is named as having committed a number of illegal acts for which he is not charged, but which are described as overt acts in furtherance of the group's criminal conspiracy.
It appears the Fulton County RICO conspiracy case that broke this week against music stars Jeffrey Williams, a.k.a. Young Thug, and Sergio Kitchens, a.k.a. Gunna, lawyers for both have suggested they're innocent, is not the first time the pair has been linked in a criminal case, and that these images relate to a DeKalb County case dating back to 2017 and a vehicle stop by Brookhaven Police near Peachtree DeKalb Airport.
Among those allegations are an instance of threatening to kill a man at a mall and possession of methamphetamine with the intent to distribute it. Thug is also alleged to have rented a silver Infiniti Q50 for, unaliving purposes, so they say.
Also involving a third suspect.
I'm supposed to perform with Jimmy Valley.
Documents indicate Williams, Kitchens, and the third suspect were indicted in DeKalb in 2018.
You got dope, you got money, you got guns. Trifecta, okay?
That Williams, a.k.a. Young Thug's charges included possession of methamphetamine with intent to distribute, possession of hydrocodone with intent to distribute, possession of marijuana with intent to distribute, possession of amphetamine, possession of alprazolam, 2 counts of possession of codeine, and 1 count of possession of firearm during commission of a felony. We found this photo in court records. There's a not guilty plea.
And as far as Yak Gotti's involvement, 5 men are charged with the murder in connection with Donovan Thomas's death, and one of them, DeMonte Kendrick, or Yak Gotti, is a rapper, as you know, on YSL's label. Previous court documents say that Donovan Thomas's compatriots blamed YSL for his death. Miss Willis, Fulton County's DA, said that his murder created violence like Atlanta has never seen. She also said she promised that, well, Mr. Thomas's mother, she would do everything she could to make sure that her son had justice.
Records indicate Kitchens was accused of a window tint violation to which he pled guilty and received a fine and probation suspended upon full payment of fine and surcharges, and a possession of marijuana less than an ounce charge, which was nalpros.
Now, of course, you already know. You guys have got to let me know what you make of that.
The DeKalb DA's office has indicated that Kitchens in this case is indeed Gunna. A transcript suggests 3 officers then with Brookhaven Police testified in a hearing that one of them indicated he told another officer that when I made contact with the car that I smelled raw green marijuana coming from inside the car, and that I was going to remove all 3 passengers and conduct a probable cause search of the car.
I mean, boy, anytime you get the DA involved and all this other stuff, I don't exactly have this police fear or like that thing where you just kind of feel like they're always out to get you. I mean, maybe it's because of the way that I talk, which is what I've been told, whatever, but...
And that the third suspect, not Young Thug or Gunna, was claiming everything I pulled out of the car. A document indicates a DeKalb judge ruled, quote, the prosecution failed to present credible evidence that this vehicle was violating the law when stopped, unquote, and that evidence including statements, firearms, and supposed drugs must be suppressed. But a Georgia Court of Appeals opinion indicates the state appealed and the appeals court reversed. Now, the DeKalb DA's office says the DeKalb case against Young Thug is still pending.
The DA? Lawyers in general? Like, I don't know, something just doesn't usually rub me right with them, but maybe it's just me. And maybe it's just me being partial to people that don't have to, I don't know, lie for a living. I don't know, either way, you guys give me your take on it down in the comment section below. And while you're there, if you're enjoying what we're bringing you, make sure that you take a little bit of time to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and ring that bell so that you can also stay up to date with the latest breaking news. Weeb and I Got the Dirt TV. You guys have been great as always. Keep it locked here for all the latest breaking news, and we'll catch you guys on the next go round. Be sure to be safe in the meantime, and we'll catch you then. Peace.